Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Today's topic is going to be one that's a little interesting to everybody. Actually, I think it's really interesting, but that's because I'm nerding out. But if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free, yes, I said free, strategy session over the phone with me, go to njestateattorney.com right now, schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, what are the disadvantages of a will? This is a question that I get through in a lot of my consultations because people want to understand the pitfalls of estate planning. And let me break it down for you. So, the main disadvantages of a will are that a will does not protect you when you have jointly owned property or accounts, number one. So, what do I mean by this? If you own a home with your spouse or with another individual, your deed has already protected you, depending on the wording, that the other individual or individuals are going to inherit your share of that property automatically upon your death. So your property would pass outside of the probate process and your percentage. When I also say accounts, if you have a checking account or savings account held jointly with one other person or multiple people, those people inherit what's in that account automatically. It's not going to enter the probate process. Your will is not going to control that because you've already set it up in a certain way that you've protected it in other ways. Those beneficiaries supersede. So now what's happening is we've superseded the will with these beneficiary designations. The same thing if we go back to your property, we've superseded the will. The only way your will would control these assets is if you have not named, if you own your property solely, or if you have not named beneficiaries on these accounts. Then your will controls because all of this property becomes part of the estate. But the thing is, when we handle estate planning, these sound like disadvantages, but these are really advantages that the will doesn't control these things. Because we've structured your will and your estate to have the least amount in there as possible, making all of these assets avoid the probate process, therefore avoiding your creditors if you have any, and we've limited the pot. And we've made it much easier for your heirs and for the people living to continue on without having to go through the dreaded probate process, even though it's not so bad. So let's just break this down really quick and summarize what we learned today. Disadvantages of a will. If you have jointly owned property, the will won't control that because your deed supersedes it. If you have bank accounts and made beneficiary designations, your will, those designations supersedes your will. Therefore, these are just some of the disadvantages that sound like disadvantages but could become advantages by avoiding the probate process. If you have questions if you like this video, please share this video out there. Maybe there's somebody out there that you know that needs to hear something, contemplating estate planning, has some probate questions. If you have not, subscribe to us and follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, go over to Instagram and TikTok. You can find us at njestateattorney.com. You can even go to Twitter. It's njestateatty. We are posting things up there. You get some quick little blurbs and everything too, some quick videos. We also have a podcast. Search for us, New Jersey Estate Planning Daily. If you found this video informative, and you may have your own questions, comments, or concerns about the estate planning or probate process, and you want those questions answered, go over to njestateattorney.com right now, schedule a strategy session for free, yes, I said free, over the phone with me, and we can answer any and all of your questions. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. Have a great day.